Hi everyone, here we are going to make this beautiful flower craft. So we are going to cut this plastic bottle, make multiple cut using a scissor. Now open all the bottle. After this we are going to make the edges pointy. Now make colorful clay balls like this and tap all the balls on the cut of the plastic bottle like this. And look, your flowers are ready. Now cut another piece of bottle, make a hanging and paste it on the top of it. Put a fairy light inside it and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Let's make this moving hand using empty jar. So we are going to mark two lines, cut the top and bottom and put both of them together and seal it using a hot glue gun. After this we are going to cut the top and put it inside. Now cut the wings and paste all of them using the straw and hot glue gun around the bottle like this and put a hole, make the hangings and look, your hen is ready. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful hanging using peanut shell. Yes, blow the balloon and paste all the peanut shell around it using hot glue gun one after another and cover the balloon like this. Here you have to cover it in a bowl shape. Now pop the balloon out. Similar way we are making the hangings as well and paste all of them like we are doing here. Put fairy light and look, it's ready. Diwali is coming soon, so let's make these beautiful flower hanging lights. First we are going to make the shapes from craft paper. Now take a paper cup, cut the base and put all the petals around it like we are doing here one after another. You can use different colorful petals like this and paste it using glue. Now remove the paper cup and put the hanging and fairy light around it. Switch on the bulb, add a frill as well and look, your beautiful hanging flower lights are ready. We are going to make these beautiful hangings. So let's recycle this empty bottle. Make multiple cut on it. Now spread all of them like this. Make the edge pointy. Now make colorful clay balls. Roll all of them. Now we are going to tap all of the balls on these cuttings like this. And look, it's ready. Spread all of them evenly. Now cut another bottle and make the hanging. Paste all of them together. You can also put a fairy light inside it. And look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.